Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use PrizePicks in Canada. PrizePicks is a popular daily fantasy sports platform that allows users to compete in various contests and win cash prizes. To get started, you need to create an account on the PrizePicks website or mobile app. Simply click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address, password, and other required details, and verify your account through the confirmation email sent by PrizePicks. Once your account is set up, you can start exploring the various contests and games available on the platform. PrizePicks offers a range of contests, including fantasy sports, trivia, and pick'em games. You can browse through the different categories, select the contests that interest you, and enter them using your available balance or by depositing funds into your account. To enter a contest, you need to make your picks by selecting the players or teams you think will perform well. For fantasy sports contests, you can choose from a pool of players and create your lineup based on their stats, recent performance, and other factors. For pick'em games, you need to select the winners of upcoming matches or events. One of the key concepts to understand when using PrizePicks is the scoring system. Each contest has its own scoring rules, and the points awarded to players or teams are based on their performance. For example, in a fantasy football contest, a quarterback may score points for passing yards, touchdowns, and completions. To maximize your chances of winning, it's essential to do your research and stay up to date with the latest news and trends. Follow your favorite teams and players, analyze their stats and performance, and adjust your picks accordingly. You can also use tools and resources available on the PrizePicks platform, such as player rankings and expert advice, to help you make informed decisions. Another important aspect of using PrizePicks is managing your bankroll. Set a budget for yourself, and stick to it to avoid overspending. You can also take advantage of promotions and bonuses offered by PrizePicks, such as deposit matches and free entries, to boost your balance and increase your chances of winning. In conclusion, using PrizePicks in Canada is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, selecting contests, making your picks, and managing your bankroll. By following these steps, doing your research, and staying informed, you can increase your chances of winning and enjoy a fun and rewarding experience on the platform.